Hello friends, today we are going to draw flying bird. Let's start. 5 finger space from the top side. Little bit curve line. One more curve. Add 2 curves like this. One more curve line like this. Add curve line. Add medium circle. One more half circle. Add curve line. More curve line like this. Slanting line. Then after one finger space you will have to add slanting lines like this. Now add curve lines. One more curve. Curve line. One more curve. Again curve. After one finger space, add curvy line like this. After that, slanting curvy line like this. Continue this line. Add wavy line. Then, after half finger space, add horizontal lines. Then add curve, one more curve, one more curve, one more curve and one more curve. Thank you.